Tappy activated. Hey, my bite-sized buddies and future billionaires. Today, we've got something really cool on our agenda. How to store your crypto assets in a self-custodial wallet. To fund your crypto wallet through a mobile app, you should choose a token you want to buy and specify the quantity. Then, it's time to select a quote from a provider. Keep in mind that the app normally highlights the most economical one. How convenient! You need to enter your payment details on your debit or credit card. By the way, some banks and cards will allow you to perform such transactions with no fuss. But others can flag, delay, and even block such transactions. In some cases, you might need to undergo a KYC check. Once the transaction is complete, you will see the cryptocurrency credited to your wallet. You can also transfer crypto from Coinbase to your Trust wallet. To do it, press the Send button on the Coinbase app or website. Then, select the cryptocurrency you need and the amount you'd like to transfer. Click Next. And finally, enter your Trust wallet's receiving address and confirm the transaction by following the instructions. Voila! Not rocket science. See you after reconnecting, happy tapping, and stay as crypto cool as your fan allows you. Tappy deactivated.